now that we've dismembered our bunny, we're putting him back together again. There is some humidity in the air today, and the Royal is a little bit softer than when it started out. So once again, anything can be fixed. A little bit of patience and take a deep breath and just jump back in again. And we needed a little bit more support on the chocolate, so we're going to go ahead and reattach this again.
We put extra chocolate at the base part here and where the feet are behind the egg. And once that sets up, it'll help support the whole thing.
Now, when we did this the other day, we also used a second support as well. It was a smaller stick.
Just until it dries.
And then we
removed
that.
So we need to move that.
Okay.
And then we're going to have to cut this stick. It's going to be at an angle. I need you to cut it off, like right where my thumb is. There you go. I push it into the board a little bit, and then back. I think it has to go on this side.
You might want to.
It's not quite an angle enough. And then I'll put a flower. See where I've messed that up? Something, usually that doesn't happen. I mean, it can sometimes, but when we decorate the board, we'll put like a little flower or something there. So.
And that's why we were talking about extra flowers. The projects, I have never started a project, and Suze can probably attest to the same fact, that has always ended up exactly the way it was we conceived it in the beginning.
So what we can do is take that tip, the 233. The grass tips. So that's where I would start. That would be where my first flower would go. Now it's okay if you even put some up on the foot, and then we'll go ahead and take one of the bigger kind of flowers and even do some that way, just to do something like that.
That might actually brace it too. There you go.
I'll put one over here. And stay right there. A couple little ones. Okay, so we're back and it's set up now. So what I want to do is gently remove this one. If you're going to transport it somewhere, you could probably leave those on until you get there. And then you just take some extra Royal here at the back where all that chocolate mess is, and just put some extra Royal at the back. Did you say there was a spot in the front, Laure'l, that you wanted to cover up?
Yes, a spot in the front.
What kind of spatula do you want?
Let's use it.
Actually, this one will probably work better, huh?
That'll work.
Okay, so, and again, this extra Royal will help set it up also. So that one stick right there has to remain, this one, for support. And I'll just cover this up, even though it covers up the back of his feet. It doesn't matter, you're not going to really see it. And did you get that?
I got it.
All right, let me spin them around, and voila!
Voila!
There's the Easter Bunny.